Once again, we're starting another chapter now in our AutoCAD Essential Training. We've got a new drawing for you. It's called Navigating Drawings 3D.dwg. And as you can see from the name of the file, we're going to be looking a little bit at navigating in 3D and also 2D. The first thing we're going to look at with navigating drawings is working with our Viewcube. Now, this is this funny little gizmo over here. It looks a bit weird. It looks like a compass, and you've got the north, south, east, and west indicated there. And by default, you're normally in a top view, which is there on the Viewcube. And you'll notice when you hover over the Viewcube, different view settings, preset views, are available to you there, as you can see. So if I went and clicked on, say, that corner there, what it'll do is it'll give me an isometric view. And you'll notice now why this is a 3D drawing, because some of the walls have been extruded upwards there, as you can see, and been made into 3D objects. So if I hover over these, you can see there, that's a 3D solid. So the whole idea is, if you're working in 3D, your Viewcube gives you a load of preset 3D views that you can work with. Now, the Viewcube is fantastic because what it allows you to do is it allows you to work with all of these preset views. Now, these preset views are also available here in the view list. See where it says Southwest Isometric? If I click there, I'm currently in the Southwest Isometric view. If I went back to the top view, note that we're looking back from the top and the Viewcube is now set to the top again. Now, the nice thing is if you hover over the Viewcube, can you see there's a little home symbol there? If I click on that home symbol, that'll open up the home view that is preset. So this view here that I've got the top view, if I now right-click over the Viewcube, I can set the current view as the home view, which is my top view of the Viewcube. And then what I can do is I can go back to that isometric view on the corner there, click on it, there's the isometric view. If I want to go back to the home view, it takes me back to that top view again that I pre-saved as the home view. Now, another thing you can do is with the mouse, you can hold down the Shift key and you can also hold down the mouse wheel, and that will allow you to do a manual orbit, you'll notice. And as I'm moving the mouse, I'm orbiting around in that drawing and you can see the 3D walls appearing quite happily. Now, that's a weird view there and it's not a preset view, but the Viewcube has aligned to it. So if I go back to the home icon and click on it, takes me back to that top view. So you can see how useful that Viewcube is. It's a really, really useful view and a viewing tool as well. So I can pick up any view I want to. I can go the other way, different isometric view, the other side, and then go back to the home view. So that's how you can utilize your Viewcube both in 2D, but more importantly in 3D. It allows you to work with preset 3D views when you're working with 3D models in AutoCAD.